The Tentrax Ascend is a lightweight, compact off-road trailer designed for adventurers who want comfort without compromise. Its sleek design and durable build make it a reliable companion for any outdoor trip. With 35 cubic feet of lockable storage, you can easily pack all your camping gear. The full-size padded bed ensures a restful sleep under the stars, and the quick setup and takedown make camping a breeze. Whether you're exploring remote trails or staying at a popular campground, the Tentrax Ascend is the perfect choice for your next outdoor adventure. Base price, $1,995. The BRS Sherpa is a rugged off-road camper trailer designed for adventure seekers. Priced around $50,000, it's built to tackle tough terrains while being easy to tow with various vehicles. Its lightweight, durable construction offers a cozy sleeping area, ample storage, and an outdoor kitchen with a pull-out stove and sink for convenient cooking. With high ground clearance and a robust suspension, the Sherpa is ideal for those seeking both adventure and comfort. Starting at approximately $35,000, it's a great value for travelers looking to explore the outdoors with ease and reliability. The Airstream eStream concept is a game changer for travel lovers. It keeps Airstream's classic look, but adds smart electric power. Unlike regular trailers, the eStream can drive itself, taking pressure off your vehicle and making towing smoother and more efficient. It's perfect for electric cars, helping them go farther while improving control on the road. Inside, it's packed with modern comforts like smart climate control and energy-saving tech. With solar panels and a powerful battery, you can enjoy off-grid adventures in style. It's the ideal choice for eco-friendly travelers who don't want to sacrifice luxury or convenience. The AAV 4x4 Global Explorer is a rugged yet luxurious motorhome built for off-road adventures and remote travel. It's built on a strong Fuso Canter or SU NPS 4x4 truck chassis, giving it excellent off-road abilities with a 4x4 drivetrain, high ground clearance, and massive 37-inch tires. Inside, it's surprisingly spacious with a full-size bed, a fully equipped kitchen, and a modern bathroom. Designed for off-grid living, it features plenty of water storage, solar power, and a powerful battery system. Whether you're exploring the Australian outback or remote areas worldwide, the AAV 4x4 Global Explorer is your ultimate adventure companion. Meet the Brooder EXP6, a rugged, high-end off-road camper built for adventure and comfort. Made in Australia, it's tough enough for the wildest terrains thanks to its strong suspension and all-terrain tires. Inside, you'll find a cozy, climate-controlled space with a full kitchen, comfy bed, and premium finishes. It feels like home, even in the middle of nowhere. With solar panels, large water tanks, and a powerful battery, it's perfect for long trips off the grid. Wrapped in military-grade materials, it's built to last. Starting at $100,000, the EXP6 is made for those who crave luxury in the wild. Would you like a voiceover script version of this too? The Atlas Outdoors Teton X is a compact, luxurious off-road camper trailer designed for adventurous families. It has a pop-top design that creates extra headroom and sleeping space. With a spacious kitchen and slide-out counters, it's perfect for cooking on the go. The flexible interior can fit up to 7 people. Built on a tough steel chassis with a lightweight fiberglass and foam shell, it's easy to tow, even with smaller vehicles. Its Go-Anywhere suspension system lets you tackle rugged terrain, while its amenities ensure a comfy camping experience. The Teton X starts at around $54,600. Introducing CL Vans, your ultimate travel buddy on both land and water. These amazing amphibious caravans are built to switch easily between road and water, giving adventure lovers the freedom to explore like never before. With a sleek look and smart features, CL vans offer a cozy and luxurious way to travel. Inside, you'll find comfy beds, a modern kitchen, and a roomy living space, perfect for relaxing or getting wild outdoors. Whether you're drifting on peaceful lakes or camping in stunning spots, CL vans make every trip unforgettable. Starting at just $3,500, your next great escape begins here. Meet the Safari Condo Alto R7113, a small but impressively roomy travel trailer designed for both comfort and ease. Its standout feature is a retractable roof that gives you extra headroom when up and a low profile for easier towing and storage when down. Inside, you'll find a smartly designed kitchenette, a flexible sleeping area that converts into either a king-size bed or two singles, and a compact wet bath. Lightweight and aerodynamic, it's a breeze to tow and helps save on fuel. Starting around $33,000, the Alto R7113 is perfect for adventurous travelers who want style and practicality. The Recon R4T RX Hypercamper is a top-tier off-road camper that combines luxury with rugged durability, perfect for adventurers wanting to explore remote areas. With a strong suspension system, off-road tires, and a lightweight yet sturdy frame, it handles tough terrains with ease. Inside, you'll find premium features like a comfy bed, full kitchen, dining area, bathroom, and even options for climate control and entertainment, ensuring comfort wherever you go. Priced at around $995,000, it offers an upscale camping experience without sacrificing modern conveniences. The Insane Impact Max is a mobile LED trailer designed for maximum visual impact at events. Equipped with a 710 feet LED screen, meet the Raptor X, a compact and powerful travel trailer built for adventure lovers. Despite its small size, it offers plenty of space and comfort thanks to its clever slide-out bedroom that fits up to 5 people. Inside, you'll find a cozy kitchen, dining area, and living space designed for a comfortable trip. The lift-up roof adds extra headroom and better airflow, while the rooftop solar panel powers your essentials. Whether you're off-roading or just relaxing outdoors, the Raptor X is your perfect travel buddy. Prices usually start between $22,000 and $25,000. A great deal for big adventures. The Opus OP15 is an off-grid hybrid caravan designed for comfortable and easy camping trips. With a spacious interior, it can comfortably fit up to 4 people, offering plenty of room to relax. Equipped with a strong solar system and efficient battery, the OP5 lets you stay off the grid for longer without worrying about power sources. It includes a fully functional kitchen, cozy sleeping area, and a roomy living space, making every adventure enjoyable. Whether you're exploring remote areas or just escaping for a peaceful getaway, the OP5 is the perfect companion. Meet the OKA 6x6 motorhome, a beast built for true adventurers. This tough off-road vehicle can handle everything from rocky mountain trails to sandy deserts, thanks to its powerful 6-wheel drive and incredible traction. But it's not just about strength. Step inside, and you'll find a cozy, well-designed space with a comfy bed, a smart little kitchen, and a compact bathroom. It's made with high-quality materials to keep you safe and comfy on long trips, no matter the weather. Built to last and take you anywhere, the custom-made OKA 6x6 starts at around $500,000. Ready for adventure? Meet the CampWorks NS1, a compact, stylish off-road camper built for adventure. Made with a lightweight yet tough composite body, it's easy to tow with almost any vehicle. The NS1 features a powerful solar system that keeps your devices and gear powered up wherever you go. Inside, you'll find a cozy queen-size bed, a full kitchen, a bathroom with a shower, and lots of storage for all your essentials. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with family, the NS1 offers comfort, convenience, and durability, making it a perfect choice for outdoor getaways. The Moby Nomad Continental is a luxury caravan that combines compact design with spa-like living. Despite its small size when packed, it offers plenty of space thanks to its innovative slide-out feature. This turns the caravan into a cozy home on wheels, with a spacious bathroom, large windows for panoramic views, and a fully equipped kitchen. Built for off-road adventures, it has a tough chassis, off-road suspension, and powerful brakes. The lightweight, temperature-neutral fiberglass shell and solid warranty make it a reliable travel companion. Prices start from $75,000. Moby Lodge offers a compact yet cozy camping experience, perfect for adventurers who love off-road exploration. These trailers are built tough, with impressive features that make them easy to store and transport, fitting into most garages. Despite their small size, the interior feels spacious, offering comfortable sleeping arrangements and plenty of storage. Equipped with essentials like a bathroom, kitchen, and entertainment system, Moby Lodge trailers ensure a comfortable and convenient camping trip. Whether you're venturing into the wilderness or taking a weekend getaway, Moby Lodge provides a reliable, versatile camping solution for any adventure. Meet the Happier Camper HC1, a lightweight, retro-style trailer made for fun and flexible travel. Weighing just 1,100 pounds, it's easy to tow with most cars, even small ones. Its unique fiberglass shell gives it a cool vintage look, while the inside is all about modern comfort. Thanks to its modular interior, you can quickly switch things up, create a bed, a kitchen, or a cozy hangout space in minutes. Whether you're heading on a road trip or a last-minute getaway, the HC1 is ready. Starting at around $39,950, it's perfect for stylish, adventurous travelers. Meet the Continental Conti Home, a smart, compact mobile home made for eco-friendly adventures. Designed with Continental's latest tire and mobility tech, it ensures smooth, efficient travel even on long trips. Inside, space is used wisely with a mini kitchen, cozy convertible beds, and a stylish bathroom. Built with sustainable materials and energy-saving features, it's perfect for modern travelers who care about the planet and comfort. Starting at around $60,000, the Conti Home offers an affordable way to hit the road and explore without harming the environment. It's your modern, mobile getaway, ready when you are. The X-Cabin 300 Glamp is a versatile camper that redefines glamping with its modern design and cozy amenities. Built with both style and practicality in mind, this compact yet spacious cabin offers a comfortable retreat for nature lovers who don't want to sacrifice comfort. Featuring sleek wooden interiors, customizable layouts, and practical amenities like a kitchenette, it feels like a mini home in the wilderness. Perfect for solo travelers, couples, or small families, the X-Cabin 300 brings together outdoor adventure and modern luxury, offering the ideal balance of nature immersion and convenience. The Tiger Moth travel trailer is perfect for adventurous couples who want a mix of comfort and practicality. Its clever design makes the most of space, offering a flexible sleeping area that easily transforms into a dining or workspace. The trailer's smart kitchen has a pull-out counter and great storage solutions, making cooking on the go easy. Lightweight and built for off-road adventures, the Tiger Moth lets you explore all kinds of landscapes, from mountain views to peaceful coastlines. Whether you're into rugged trails or serene retreats, this trailer is an ideal travel buddy. The standard model starts at $1,650.